Ready? Hi there, Mrs. Pappy here, aka Gigi with an AK-47 in my hands. This is from Suburbia, formerly Yugoslavia. It's a M70. It is a little different than a lot of AK-47s as it has a nice long bolt in it instead of the what's it called, honey?
The tongue.
The tongue right up here. It's highly accurate. It's not my favorite gun, but it is highly accurate.
My favorite.
It's Pappy's favorite. That's why he named it Pappy. It's got a 20 count mag on it right now. Pappy does have a 75 count drum that he uses sometimes on it. What is it, a Zesta?
Made by the Zesta Corporation.
Made by the Zesta Corporation. And what am I missing? Takes a 7.62 by 39. And looks like he's got a muzzle brake on it.
Charge it and fire it.
And let's see if I can figure out how to shoot this bad boy.
Gotta load it. Gotta load it.
I'm looking at the sight first. Is it here? It's here. Are we good to go?
Yep.
Are we hot?
Yep. Aim lower.
Kicks a little bit.
Really?
Okay.
Here. Doesn't kick hardly at all, honey. Watch this.
No, it doesn't kick hardly at all, but it does have a little bit.
Not much to me.
Hey, enough. You're killing my ears.
Thanks, Gigi.